G'day everyone, and welcome back to another day in the shed. If you haven't watched the last few videos, make sure you check them out. There's been some really cool cameras in there. Today, picture number 4, almost getting to the end of one of the big boxes. So looking forward to seeing what's in here. Looks like we've got another folding camera. And then I'm obviously got no idea about the others. We'll go this one first. So if you haven't seen any of these videos before, I brought a film camera collection off a bloke online, and it had over 70 cameras, and he's individually packed them all in newspaper. So I get to open them up and see what they are for the first time, mind you. Little Zeiss. This one's called a Continent, 45mm f2.8, I think it says there. Carl Zeiss. Nice little camera, this one. Let's have a quick look in the back. Might be a little bit of tidying up to do in the back there, I think, maybe, but it's overall pretty good. Let's have a quick look and see if it's... Go down to 30th. Seems like it's in pretty good working order, that one. This one feels a bit heavier. Very nice. Voigtlander V2B. This one's got a 50mm f3.5. And let's see if I can get it working. It's got a rather interesting lens. I haven't seen, well, this is different, I guess. Focusing ring up front, which is in meters. So for us Aussies, that's handy. I'm sick of working stuff out in feet. Shutter seems a bit jammed, so not sure what's going on with this one. Anyway, I'll have a bit more of a play around with that one when I get some time. It's got an interesting bottom on it. Let's have a look in there. It's cool. I haven't seen that before. The bottom actually swings out, which is kind of cool. Well, I should put the film in there. Not sure why the shutter won't go on that one, but anyway. It's also got this, sort of looks like carbon fiber, but I doubt it would be. It could just be like a foam, but it's got this pattern on the inside there, which I haven't seen before. Rather cool. That one's pretty heavy. I'll go to the folding camera next. It's got a little sticker on the top there saying press. I thought it said faulty, but it's press shutter fully. So here's obviously how to go working this one. What's this? Zeiss Icon Netax. It's pretty cool. Haven't come across this one before. Is it a 120? Yes, it is. I love medium format cameras. No idea what that says. Little sticker down the bottom there, which is kind of cool. Let's see if we can open this up and see if it works. It's got a inbuilt light meter in it too, which is pretty cool. There we go. Very nice. So 75mm f 4.5. Set it at 4.5. We'll go 200ths of a second. Cool. We'll go down the slower speeds because that's when they tend to stuff up. So this is on 25. And that seems all good. Not sure if the light meter is working or not, but it's pretty cool. It's also got a little red warning flag that comes up in the view piece there to make sure you wind your film, advance your film. Nice little camera, this one. What's this one? This one's quite heavy. Voigtlander Bestmatic. Well, that's a good start. This is a heavy camera. I would not want to be walking around with this all day long. Light meter. What else? Well, that doesn't seem so good. $50mm 2.8. So 50mm 2.8 lens on this one. I'll have to have a bit of a more play around with it. Looks like the shutter's getting a bit stark. That's on a slower speed. We'll go up to 500. Don't know how to change the aperture. Like if you change the shutter speed, it also changes the aperture. I don't know how to make it not do that. This one doesn't look like it's working too well. Which is a shame. Anyway, number 4, pretty cool cameras. Definitely gonna have to go to medium format for my favorite though. And I'm looking forward to giving this one a go. Very good. Well, see you next time.